G'day guys, Matty back here from the Oz Affiliate. Just regarding your 4 steps, the money is in the list, your 4 steps to a profitable email list. Again, we're just touching base on going into a little bit more detail on those 4 steps, of course. And we are up to step number 4, segmenting and keeping your list clean. So it's pretty important to keep a list clean in that if you have a whole lot of people on your list that just aren't going anywhere, that aren't clicking, that aren't reading your emails and stuff, it's kind of throwing all your stats out and it's just clogging up your list. So we want to be able to break them up into quality, if you like. So, you know, from top quality down to a very low quality, and we treat them differently. Our top quality ones we want to keep engaged and keep them clicking, and our very low quality ones we really want to get rid of it there. So just going through basics. So opening and clicking email are 2 very different things. Just opening it and then actually clicking on, engaging on what you're saying and clicking. So 90-day, 60-day, 30-day and current openers, and then the same 60, 30 and current clickers. So we need to break them up into those more or less separate lists. And then what we want to do with them is send different things to different lists, if you like. And that's going to make our stats look better as well. And of course, our email service providers, they do track our reputation, and they can also determine whether things bounce or not. So it's very important for that sort of thing. So we do break them up. We pick some days in the month that we are going to, and we are going to keep them clean. Now, there are different ways to do all of this because each list is very, very different, and the engagement not only to how people engage with us, but how often are we engaging with our list. If we're only engaging once a month, then of course no one's going to click and no one's going to open our emails. So it really does depend on how you treat your list, and then the reaction to how our list is going to be kept clean, that sort of thing as well. So basically step 4 is keeping your list clean. And if you need the training on that, if you've already got your list going, hopefully you do already have your list going, in the program, of course, you start building your list pretty quickly. In all of these sessions, you're kind of referring back to your list, so you will start building it very quickly. If you haven't joined the Partner with Anthony program yet, it's something you really should do. It's going to teach you how you can start from absolutely scratch, from nothing, and build up your list, build up funnels, provide lead magnets to get people onto your list. All that sort of stuff it's just going to walk you through and teach you that sort of thing. And if you do what is asked of you in this program, you will see results pretty quickly, and you will start building your list pretty quickly. So it's only $7 a month, so it's very, very affordable, and the information that you take from this is well worth in excess sort of 100 times that. So make sure you do take some action at least. I'll leave a link for that if you're not already a member, but if you are, then you are already going through this training, and hopefully you're already doing that. So that's an important step, is make sure you're keeping your list clean. If you want a copy of this this book, of course, there's a link for that as well just down below. And like everything, leave your comments, please subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any questions, by all means ask me and I will help you out as soon as I can. So hopefully you're doing that, and we'll see you on the inside if you're going to jump in.